How much, man?
How much?
2 months, man.
Hey.
Injection needle and supposed to be.
So you can't take them off your mother now?
Me inject them, you know.
Are you cut your tail too?
Yeah, man. Me inject them, cut them tail, and me cut them teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Teeth, tail, injection, and them back leg.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The bigger one, them, and me inject them with the worm out behind them ears.
You see, one thing I hold them down now, you know, better not tell me.
More more space.
Yeah, and the dirt. You see this. You see this not good for them. So the pen supposed to clean. Cause you see,
I threw the water in there.
I go along, you see what and you
come up there, man.
and the chaff I want to fit better to you know, Rasta.
Go over there, man.
You know, like how the chaff look, you know. Chaff are supposed to. Cause you see, look right there, so. You see water need to run out from right there, so. Yeah, go on, you know, but.
Right, away, I go over there,
And the drain this will look like a clog up. If you notice, yeah, look like a clog up. I'm gonna go on, guys, but like we need this string. We need this string, guys. I'm gonna go on, man. Nice, the piglet them dirty.
Yeah, I just feed my problem still around that. I will feed them everything. Little piece of iron in there.
There's a clog up, guys.
Shine piece of iron around.
Right there's a clog up. So in a dirt like this, you hold them down. Cause they in mud, they in muck. So you hold them down, guys. The one here not look too bad. No lie, the one here not look too bad, guys. Me like that. Hey Rasta, me like a black one here, you know. Hey, you sell a black one here? Guys, me like the black one here. Blackie. Blackie, me da call him. A nice little boy. You sell that one here, Rasta? Guys, me like the black one here. It look nice. Nice little black one here. Rasta, go on, guys. Nah, like one have me have piggy. But him have 1, 2, it's have 4, 5. Man, over 10. Whoa! They want to wash off now, but come on, guys. So we have pity say Kirk couldn't help him on the farm.